Okay, today we're going to put together the EGO Bike USA motorcycle carrier. Hopefully you can see that. I got this off of Amazon, and it's obviously to haul that, my KTM. So we're going to haul the KTM on the back of the what do we got? A Honda Pilot, 2004 Honda Pilot. But this is EGO Bike USA, and it is a carrier. Let me just throw that over there. We're going to put this together and do a little video review. As you can see, I already laid out all the parts. Just trying to make sure everything's lined up. At first I was a little confused as to why we didn't have enough of these. They have a washer inside, and I had all these sets here, but 2 extra bolts, but these go with the linch pins, and as you can see they have a hole, so that's pretty important to know that these two are separate. And then I laid out everything else. I made sure I counted these, counted all these bolts which go through here, and it looks like people put them this way instead of this way, because the wheel will go there. It's really simple installation instructions. 1 page, that's it. And as you can see, we're just going to put this together, and it'll take me a few minutes. I was just making sure I was laying out everything and getting everything. So EGO Bike off of Amazon. See how it does. I know people have done a lot of these, so we'll see how this works out. Okay, we're back. We're going to install this sucker here. This is the EGO Bike USA, and it's a motorcycle carrier. I've laid out most of everything I need. Haven't quite grabbed the tools yet. The first part of the directions is installing these in the 2 side brackets where the wheel will sit. And I started to put them in there, but it looks like everyone does them the opposite way. So I put them in here. And it has a lock nut. It goes on. Okay, there's that. Next in the directions, as you'll see, 1-page directions. And number 2, secure the 2 beams ramp. So we're going to put on the other long bolts there, it looks like. Secure the 2 beam 2 PCS and the ramp holder brackets. So these are the 2 beam. These things. So I secure the 2 beam, 2 of those, and then the ramp holder brackets. Ramp holder brackets are these. These go together. Looks like we'll do this somehow. Let's see what this does. So those go like that. So I got my dirt bike, and I'm going to try to get put it on the carrier to see where the wheels don't need to go. So Okay, let me show you what I do. Okay, as you can see, not all the bolts go on. Not sure really what the end one is for, if that's for something else. That one over there. You can see the wheel kind of sits down between the other bolts there. And then on here, since most of the weight's in the back or the middle, I believe it can go exactly how it is. Not sure if it needs to back up a little or not. Anyway, this bolt could maybe be gone, and that way the tire would sit down in there. I know it'll be lashed down anyways, but not exactly sure. It's in the middle. So there we go, Ego Bikes. Ego Bike, sorry. Ego Bike motorcycle carrier off of Amazon for the KTM. There it is in all its glory. I'm going to end up taking this one off for the tire that goes in here. And I think I'll take this one off too for the tire. That's how it goes on. Here's how the hitch pin goes on. And it looks great. Be a good addition. That's it. Now we just got to get the KT on there, get it all back together, and we'll go out dirt bike riding.